you think about insurance purchase in South Africa, it is a grudge purchase. Nobody willingly goes out and buys insurance. They're doing that because they're protecting an asset that more often than not is currently being financed. So they want some sort of peace of mind that if something had to happen to that asset, that there's cover for it, so that they're not out of pocket. But there are cars on the road that aren't insured, and we all know that. And there are those that are.
That's why we believe that third-party insurance in South Africa is so important currently to think about it. It is available when you are in an accident to be covered.
It's a package deal like comprehensive insurance. It's between 60 and 70% cheaper than that of a standard comprehensive insurance policy. But basically what you're doing is you're buying an insurance policy that covers you in the unlikely event that you cause an accident, or if your vehicle is burnt, or if your vehicle is stolen. So essentially the insurance company is not covering you as the risk. They are covering your car as being the asset in the case of fire and theft, and they are covering the other party if you are the result or the reason that there's been damage caused and you're at fault. I think that this insurance should be completely compulsory for all motorists on the road, because if I'm driving around and I choose as a consumer not to be comprehensively insured, I at least want to know that I've got some peace of mind that if somebody drives into me and it's not my fault, there is some kind of insurance policy out there that will rectify my vehicle.
The challenge that we have in South Africa is currently only 30% of the vehicles on the road are insured, and that creates a huge and massive problem to insurance companies. When there are accidents, they're not able to recover from a third party, which makes insurance in South Africa currently very expensive compared to the rest of the world. So I do agree with Charles in that fact that we need to get it compulsory. In the olden days, or many years ago, it used to be part of the registration of the vehicle. So either when you register or re-register your vehicle, pay your license fee, it would be included in that. And it's something that we seriously consider as an industry to appeal to government.
Yes, I think it's going to require some very clever heads around the table to institute this. Probably trying to get government to come to the table is going to be a difficult task, but it's something that we do need, and I think it's something we need to put together and look at.
And I think we all agree that it's only legislation that will address that
Correct.
problem. It will not happen by itself.